Well, you know what time it is. It is time for another pop-up tutorial here. This is what we're going to be doing today. We call this the quad fold-out pop-up. Catchy, right? So this is the template that we're doing today. This one is available for free on my Patreon page. Just make sure you check the link. It's going to either be in the comments or the bio, depending on where you're watching this. So yeah, check that out. All right, let's get going. So here are the pieces to put this card together. Obviously, you need your base card. This is an A2 size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, but you can make this bigger if you want. So we got this heart. It's got 3 folds in it. We got this V folder here. Got folds in there, and then we have 2 of these. And we have 2 arms. This one is super easy to put together. You want to start with the biggest. Let's call it a triangle. And I took a pencil and outlined the folds so it's easier to see on camera. So you're going to put your adhesive on these tabs here, and then this is going to go at the very top in the middle. So let me just grab my tape here and my trusty non-stick label backing. Oops. So there's my adhesive on that. Set that over there. Oops. So you're going to take your base card and you're going to line up the middle fold with the middle of your base card. So I'm just going to line that up. Then I just lift one side up and flip one tab underneath. Press that down, and then that just automatically lines up the other side. And after you put down a new piece, you always want to close it to make sure it closes nice and square and doesn't bind up or whatever. So there's that piece. And now you want to use these smaller folds here, and these are going to get placed this way. So like that. So again, you put your adhesive on the tabs, and you're going to line up the middle fold with this crease now. So I'm just going to put adhesive on both of these real quick. All right, so here is this part again. You want to level the same at the top and the middle of the fold with this crease. So right about there looks good. And again, I'm going to hold it down when it's where I want it to be and just flip one side up. Put that tab down and then do the other tab. And again, I'm closing it. So we got that. And then we just mirror it on the other side with the other one. And so that's what we have right now. And now, it's almost to the end already. You're going to take these and butt them up in the crease that you've made there now. So those are going to go right like that. So you just want to put your adhesive right here and right there. See if I can do this so you can see it as best as possible here. So that goes there. So now you have an extension off this part. And we're going to put the same on the other side here. So that's what we got. Looks like some arms. And the last part is now we're going to put the part that unfolds and pops up. And this one, you take the middle fold and you're lining it up in the middle. And you're going to put the adhesive on just this part. Just where those arms are. Like that. Just want to press everything flat. And centering everything here, and then just press it down. And there we have our finished quad fold out pop-up, I guess we'll call it. So you can see how that works. Like that. And just as an example of how you can use this, this would be good for maybe some kind of celebration or a birthday card or maybe a family reunion invite or something like that. So you can put some pictures and then design whatever occasion you're designing for. So I think this is a very cool pop-up. It's super simple to put together. It's quick, and you can take it further if you want. This is available on Patreon for free. This template is. This is a design it as you want it kind of thing. But if you would like to be a subscriber, you can do that as well for other pop-ups that are complete with graphics and colors and whatnot. So make sure you check that out while you're looking at this one. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. And again, this is available for free on my Patreon account. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.